Children, let us continue the chapter Polynomial. Now let us solve the exercise first of the Polynomial chapter. Now the question is, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. Here the first one is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Second, y square plus root 2. Third one, 3 root t plus t root 2. Fourth, y plus 2 by 5. Fifth one, x to the power of 10 plus y to the power of 3 plus t to the power of 50. In the previous video, we discussed the definition for the polynomial. A polynomial in one variable is an algebraic expression of the form p of x equals an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 so on plus a2 x to the power of 2 plus a1x plus a0. Here a0, a1, a2, so on, an are constant. An should not be equals to 0. And the other condition is, here you should know that n must be positive integer. It is integer and it must be positive. Means it must be whole number. It may be any value from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So by observing that, you can clarify whether the given expression is polynomial or not. Now you take the first expression, that is 4x square minus 3x plus 2. This expression is having only one variable and non-negative integral powers of x. Here only one variable is there, that is x, and its power is, here x to the power of 2 is there, 2 is positive, that is whole number, and x to the power of 1 is there, that is also positive, means that is whole number. Therefore you can conclude that it is a polynomial. So what you can write here? It is a polynomial. Polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable because this expression is having only one variable and the power of each variable is whole number. The power of each variable is non-negative integer or whole number. Non-negative integer or whole number. Now you take the second one, that is y square plus root 2. And here the variable is y and only one variable is there and the power is, only one term is having the variable here, other term is constant, and the power of the variable is 2, which is whole number, which is non-negative integer. So therefore this is also, you can conclude that it is a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable because this expression is having one variable, that is y, one variable y, and the power of and the power is Power is what? Whole number. Means non-negative integer. Whole number means it is non-negative integer. Next. Here you each word is not necessary. The power of variable is whole number. You can write here. Next you take third one. Third one, 3 root t plus t root 2. 3 root t plus t root 2. See, the variable is t here. You can write it as 3 root t means 3t to the power of 1 by 2 it is. Root t means t to the power of 1 by 2 plus t root 2 it is. So you know that this is 1 by 2 means this is a fraction, that is not a whole number. So what you can conclude here, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So why it is? The variable is there, only one variable, but the power of the variable is not integer. Not integer means not whole number. It is not whole number. The reason is here, the power of the variable is not integer. It is a fraction here. So 1 by 2 is a fraction. Next, fourth one you take. Fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y. Y you can write y only. 2 by y means 2y to the power of minus 1 it is. Y power minus 1. You know that this minus 1 is not positive integer. It is not whole number. So therefore you can say that this is also not polynomial. It is not polynomial. It is not polynomial because the power of the variable is not whole number, not positive integer. It must be integer and also it must be positive integer. That is, it is not whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next one, fifth one, x to the power of 10 plus y to the power of 3 plus t to the power of 50. T to the power of 50, and here as we have to find the polynomial in one variable, here we have to check whether it is a polynomial in one variable or not. So here there are three variables, therefore it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not a polynomial in one variable, but it is a polynomial. So reason what you can give here, because here there are three variables x, y and t. Because it is a polynomial in three variables. Three variables x, y and t. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in one variable as it is having three variables x, y and t. Now the next question, write the coefficient of x square in the following. You know the coefficient here. Here only we have to find the coefficient of x square in each. So you take the first one, 2 plus x square plus x. And here we have to find the coefficient of x square. And it is nothing but 2 plus 1 x square plus 1x it is. So what is the coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square is, what is the coefficient of x square? The number with x square is, that is 1. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Now you take the second one. What is the second one? 2 minus x square plus x cube. 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here it is x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? You can write it as 2 minus 1x square plus x square. Therefore, the coefficient of x square is minus 1 here. Together with the x square, there is minus 1. So the coefficient of square is minus 1. Next you take the third one. Third one is pi by 2 x square plus x. Right, the third one, pi by 2 x square plus x. Here it is x square. So together with x square, what is there? You know that pi by 2. The coefficient of x square is pi by 2 here. Pi by 2. The next one is root 2x minus 1. Fourth one, root 2x minus 1. Root 2x minus 1. And you know that here there is no x square. No x square means you can write 0x square plus root 2x minus 1. X square is not then means 0x square it is. Therefore, coefficient of x square is 0 it is. Coefficient of x square is 0. That completes the second main. Now you come to the third question. Give one example of binomial of degree 35 and of monomial of degree 100. You can give any example taking any variable. So example of binomial of degree 35. So you take any variable and the highest power must be 35 here. Together with that you can have the terms with the variable of the degree less than 35. So you can write, here you take any variable x, y, p, etc. but the highest power must be 35 and it must have two terms. Binomial means two terms here. So you take x to the power of 35 plus any variable with the power less than 35 or any constant you can have. So you take 2 or x to the power of 35 plus x to the power of 34 you can have, or x to the power of 35 plus any number, or you can write 2x like this way. All these are binomial of degree 35. Second one, monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. Monomial means that is having only one term, and you write only one term with any variable and the power is here 100. So you can write take the variable x or any here, y to the power of 100 you can write, or 2y to the power of 100, or 1 by 2 y to the power of 100, or minus 8y to the power of 100. All these are the monomial of degree 100. This is about the solution for the third question. Next you take, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. Now you take the first one, that is 5x to the power of 3 plus 4x square plus 7x. Now the fourth question, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. Now what is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable. Take the first one, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here the variable is x, only one variable is there. Its highest power is 3 here. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is the degree of this polynomial is 3. What is the degree of this polynomial? 3. Second one. You take the second one. So what is the degree of the second polynomial? That is 4y square. You write directly here. The degree of the polynomial 4y square is, you know what is the highest power here? Only one term is there, that is monomial, and its highest power is 2. So you can write 2 it. What is the degree of the polynomial 4y square? That is 2. And directly next you take the third one, 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. You know that here the degree of the polynomial, you write the degree of the polynomial, which one? 5t minus root 7 is, you know that the variable is t here, t is there, t square t cube is not there, only t is there, means its highest power is 1 here, t means t to the power of 1, so you can write 1 here. So the degree of the polynomial 5t minus root 7 is 1. Next one is 3, that is fourth one. The degree of the polynomial 3. Here it is a constant polynomial, and constant polynomial means the highest power of the variable is here 0. 3 means you can take 3x to the power of 0 or 3y to the power of 0, like this way. Here the power is 0, so this degree is what you can take here 0. 3 is there, means that is 3x to the power of 0 or 3y to the power of 0, so you can take the power of the variable is here 0. So the degree of this polynomial, if there is only one constant, then the degree of the polynomial is 0 here. So the degree of the polynomial 3 is 0. Next about the fifth question, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. You know what is a linear polynomial, what is quadratic polynomial, and what is cubic polynomial. Linear means the highest power of the variable is 1. Quadratic means the highest power of the variable is 2. In cubic polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 3 here. So you make the column here. First one is linear polynomial. Second you take quadratic polynomial. third, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And here you write here first one, x square plus x. This polynomial is having the highest power 2. Highest power 2. So it comes under quadratic polynomial. So x square plus is quadratic polynomial. Next, x minus x cube. The highest power is 3 here. It comes under cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. Next, y plus y square plus 4. Here the variable is y and the highest power is 2 here. So it is also quadratic polynomial. Next, 1 plus x. Here the variable is x, its highest power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. And 3t, here the variable is t and highest power is 1. So it is also linear polynomial. Then next one is, here it is r square. And here the variable is r and the highest power is 2. So it comes under quadratic polynomial. So you write in the column of quadratic polynomial. Next one is, seventh one is 7x cube. Here the variable is x and highest power is 3, that is cube. So it comes under cubic polynomial. You take here, that is 7x cube in the column of cubic polynomial. So here you got 2 linear polynomial, 1 plus x and 3t, and 3 quadratic polynomial, x square plus x, y plus y square plus 4 and r square, and 2 cubic polynomials, x minus x cube and 7x cube. In this way you got the classification of the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. That completes the exercise, first exercise of the chapter Polynomial.